Hi, this is Ron from ron@dj.com. We checking out another Huawei device from Huawei Philippines, and before we proceed on this one, please subscribe on this YouTube channel. Also like this video, and also like and follow our social media accounts written in the description below. So ito yung I think first time this year na makaharap tayo ng Android tablet from Huawei, and also this also the first one uh, the first Android tablet na mahihiram natin na based na sa EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10, and the challenge of will be relying more on this one, so Huawei AppGallery as indicated on this box. This the Huawei Mate T10. Ito yung more affordable variant ng Huawei Mate T10s na same lang sila ng processor, pero ang mawawala sa atin versus the T10s variant is wala tayong makuha Harman Kardon speakers tune speakers on this one, and wala tayong faster charging on this one. So this is the official retail box on this one. So ito yung Huawei MatePad T10s. Then like yung mga recent ngayon na nilalabas ngayon ng mga Android device ng Huawei, mas nire-recommend niya ang Android or ang Huawei App Gallery, since wala yung mga recent na Huawei Android device, wala ng Google mobile services. So ang nakuha natin na variant is yung Deep Sea Blue, which this one is 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM. Kung yun napansin yun, not for sale, pero ganito yung itsura nung yung commercial unit, yung front view. So pag natin tingnan muna natin yung box, or sabihin tingnan natin yung device. Ito yung charger niya, which 5 volts 1 ampere, which is yun yung isa pa ng downgrade compared to sa T10s. And meron siyang SIM ejector tool, and nandito sa package yung hindi natin gagawin to is yung regular USB to type C port, which meron naman tayong spare na galing din from Huawei on this one. So where's the device actually? So in this one, yan. So ang nakuha na put lang natin for this one. So ang nakuha natin is yung Deep Sea Blue, which mabansin nyo na if you gonna check it for the first time, na metal on this one, tong Deep Sea Blue na portion, tong malaking portion. Then this one is more on the plastic, and nandito yung kanyang main camera. Then meron tayong ngayon na 9.7 inch HD plus display on this one. Exactly 1280 by 800 display. Then ang promising on this one, versus kino-compare ko sa isang Android tablet na 1,000 pesos less, for definitely worth the 1,000 additional, kasi meron itong Kirin 710A quad core processor, which is kahit na meron na kasing Kirin 710 and Kirin 710F, pero mapansin mo na mas malakas talaga yun, mas malakas na medyo reliable na yung processor na at this price range of 6,990 pesos. So in-expect ko na sa 160,000 ang kanyang Antutu score based on the processor. Then aside from that, meron siyang Mali G51 CPU or GPU, sorry. Nabanggit ko na EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10, 5 megapixel main camera, which ito yung nasa likod. Then 2 megapixel f2.4 camera, front camera. Tasan natin yung kanyang brightness para mas makita niyo mas maayos. And 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM. Wala siyang dual nano SIM on this one. Then meron siyang micro SD and type C, and pwede mo expand up to 512 gigs of micro SD slot. then 5,100 mAh battery. Then nabanggit natin yung so charging speed on this or charging capability on this one. So ihaharap na natin sa inyo kung ano yung malalatnan nyo on this one. I think ito yung um, mga noise cancelling earphones on this one. So, I guess pwede mo siyang gamitin for Wi-Fi call. So, ito yung volume rocker, power unlock button. Medyo curve yung sides ng Huawei MatePad T10s. Paano kung mangyayari sa MediaPad? Nalito pa ako nung una. Yung pala is MatePad na pala to. So, yung right portion, if kung pa-landscape yung harap ng tablet sa'yo, ito yung SIM micro SD slot, 3.5 audio jack, USB Type-C speakers. Then, wala na sa bottom, yeah. And these are also speakers. The speaker di pa sa that portion at wala ka madatan sa button. Ang gusto ko din sa MatePad for a budget MatePad T10 is 6,990 pesos. Tapos, may Kirin 710A processor which na-expect ko siguro ang acid test sa akin po nito is you can play some games out there. Yung Google Meet, since mabigat ang pace sa mga na-check ko ng mga yung mga nag-online school, ang bigat ng Google Meet kumpara sa Zoom. But for sure, kung Google Meet tayo will be web-based on this one since wala nga itong GMS. So, pull down mo, makikita mo na meron siyang dark mode, screen recorder, and ebook mode which another helpful feature sa mga nag-online schooling yan. Then, yung nagpaka old school ako, gusto ko pa rin yung may up drawer at saka yung meron pa rin ako ng navigation buttons. Although sa EMUI 10.1 pwede ka lang yung gestures na pag i-swipe mo sa right, yun yung magbaback when you swipe right. But ako, by choice is the old school way. Yung may navigation buttons pa rin. And pwede mo baguhin yan kung yung back is nasa kaliwa na sa kanan. Then itong fourth navigation button is for pulling up and down the main menu. Then na-check on this one na out of 32 gigs meron siyang 24 gigabytes of internal storage. Then meron siyang preloaded na WPS Lite which from the processor itself I suggest na to go instead to the full-fledged WPS office na for sure kakailangan niya ng mga students for checking Word and PDF files and also Excel din. So, napansin ko lang dito is medyo makabal na konti ng bezel for it's forgivable naman kasi 6,990 pesos ang pinaka selling factor for me on this one is yung nga nabanggit ko kanina is for additional 1,000 pesos you're gonna get a more powerful and more reliable processor lalo na for more power compared do sa isa na nakita ko na 5,990 pesos with the same configuration sa memory pero you'll get around 40% less on the processing power compared to this one. Siguro may pero kailangan nyo masanay na to get apps to the Huawei AppGallery which we'll be showing another video on this one. We'll be using this model on this one. So that's it for now. This is Ronald DJ from ronaldtodj.com. Please check out for our review soon. I will post on the description below. And so in case na hindi nyo ma-check on this premiere. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.